Welcome to our chalet. This video will show you how to operate the wood burning fireplace insert. To use the insert, open the door by grasping the handle, rotating clockwise. You'll see the little finger rotate out of place, and then you can open the door. Once you have opened it, you can place any firewood that you have purchased on this metal grate. We do not supply firewood. You may get lucky and find some that was left from a prior guest. If not, Chalet Village Market is just down the street. They sell firewood, as do local grocery stores, hardware stores, etc. Below the grate is an opening where you can put some fire starters that you may have purchased, or if you do not have those, you can attempt to use newspaper to start the fire. Please do not burn anything besides firewood, fire starters, and newspaper on occasion in the firebox, as it is not good for the system to burn other items. When you have stocked this and got the fire going, you can close the door, rotate the handle counterclockwise. You should feel the finger go into the latch and then test it to make sure it's closed. There is the damper control for the chimney down below. There is a slider that you can see. There's a start position, a high flame, and a low flame position you may use. This insert is equipped with a fan which will rotate air around the firebox and so that the room air can be warmed. The air will be sucked in by the fan from one of these vents and blown out the other side. The controls for the fan are located in the bottom right corner here. There are two controls. There are an on-off button and a knob to change the amount of, or the speed of the fan. If the fan is not turning on, please check to the right to see if it is not plugged in. Plug it in and try again. Should be able to hear the fan. You can turn it off with the knob or the switch. This fireplace also has the potential, although not recommended, to be burned with the door open. However, you must use the grate, which is located over here typically, over the opening. It is not allowed to have a fire with the door open and without the grate. So this means no s'mores or any marshmallows grilling inside the firebox. This is for safety's sake. The grate here suppresses the sparks and keeps any burning material from landing on a floor or a carpet and causing a fire. This grate has hooks up top and a small little hook down at the bottom. The way to insert it is bring it over here. The big hooks at the top will fit in underneath a lip here. So top first, under, bring it up so it's underneath, push it in, and then drop it down in place such that the bottom hooks are also in place. Once again, it is hooks underneath the upper rim, and then drop it in place. To remove it, it's again up, bottom first, and out. However, we do recommend that you operate the fireplace with the door closed. If you're here a long time and you see a lot of ashes building up in the firebox, we do have an ash bin over here that one can use to empty the firebox. We also have 2 shovels to the right, which can be used. Please let the fire go out and the ashes sit for several hours before taking them out and putting them into the ash bin. Ashes can be a lot hotter in the middle than you think they are, and are dangerous for a long time after all the visible flames have gone away. Shovel them out, put the lid back on, and put the ash bin back. Close the door and latch it. Thank you very much. Have a great stay.